today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a single-page template in Elementor, a skill that will help you design beautiful and functional web pages with ease. First, let's get started by opening the Elementor page editor. Once you're in, make sure you're on a fresh new page or the page you intend to work on. The first step is crucial. Click on Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor interface. Now, you're ready to set the stage for your new template. Begin by choosing a layout for your template. To do this, look for the Add New Section button, which is indicated by a plus sign within a circle. Go ahead and click on that button. A panel will appear showing various column structures. Choose the one that best fits your vision. Once you've selected a layout structure, it's time to populate it with content and elements. Now, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see a wide array of widgets available for you to drag and drop into your layout. These widgets range from simple text and image widgets to more advanced options like sliders and navigation bars. For each widget you add, remember that customization is key in making your template unique and tailored to your needs. Click on a widget after dragging it to access detailed customization options. Here, you can tweak fonts, colors, and spacing. These finer adjustments will help ensure your page reflects your intended style and message. Moving along, it's important to consider the global settings offered by Elementor. These allow you to define overarching styles that will apply across your entire template. Use these to set uniform fonts and color schemes, creating a cohesive look throughout your page. This step not only saves you time but also ensures consistency, which is essential for professional-looking pages. As you start building out your page elements, remember to frequently preview your progress by clicking on the eye icon at the bottom of the widget panel. This feature is invaluable, offering you a real-time view of what your visitors will see once your page is live. Take advantage of this to catch any potential errors or necessary tweaks while building your page. When you're satisfied with your layout and design, it's time to save your work and set your template for use. To do this, hover your mouse over the Update or Publish button at the bottom left. Click the drop-down option beside this button and select Save as Template. A prompt will appear asking you to name your template. Be sure to give it a descriptive name that you'll easily recognize later, and then click Save. With your template saved, you can reuse your beautiful creation across various projects, saving you time and ensuring style consistency in your web design endeavors. Congratulations on learning how to create a single-page template in Elementor. With this skill, you're now equipped to craft stunning and effective pages time and time again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tutorials like this one.